Welcome to a new step-by-step tutorial. We're going to see how to implement foot IK management with a very simple method. Without foot IK, a foot might end up floating in the air. With foot IK, this issue disappears, and both feet stay grounded on the floor. You can still jump normally. This makes your game feel more realistic. Check out my previous tutorial to add one of the Paragon characters, which are available for free on the fab.com store. First, double-click on the Anim Blueprint of the Greystone character. Open the Anim graph. Double-click on the Anim Blueprint of ABP_Manny. Open the Anim graph. Select the three nodes as shown on the screen. Copy them, go to the Anim Blueprint of Greystone, and paste these three nodes. Drag and drop the isInAir variable and click on Get. Connect isInAir to the Not node, then delete the isFalling variable. Connect Component to Local to Control Rig, then connect Control Rig to Output Pose. In the Content browser, double-click on CR_mannequin_basic foot IK. Click on Root, then select the entire skeleton by holding Shift and clicking the bottommost bone in the window. Delete all the selected bones. Click on Import Hierarchy and choose Greystone from the drop-down list. The Greystone character skeleton is now imported. The bone names appearing in red no longer exist, they need to be replaced with those from the Greystone skeleton. Be careful to select the corresponding name from the drop-down list, replace the old skeleton's left foot with the new skeleton's left foot, and so on. Once that's done, compile and save. Compile and save the Anim Blueprint of Greystone as well. Launch the map, and voila! Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you liked this video. Next tutorial, Paragon Character Weapons, so subscribe.